Hey, what's going on? And this is going to be another episode. Basically, these episodes are breaking down each course that is provided in the graduate school at Stony Brook University for your master's in computer science. These courses are graduate level courses that are pretty much building on the undergraduate courses. And I'm looking to go ahead and to enroll in it. So the best thing for me to do is to spend time working on each piece and making sure that I'm prepared for each piece. And I actually have some understanding on what's going on. So today's course is going to basically be about operating systems. It's basically CSE 506. And here's a little brief summary that is actually a part of the enrollment page for the course. It says this course is an in-depth study of the important concepts and techniques found in modern computer operating systems. Undergraduate courses is a prerequisite. Course focuses on an in-depth study of such important issues as virtual memory, file systems, and networking, and as well as multiprocessor support. With an eye to recent directions in these areas, textbook readings are supplemented where appropriate by papers from the research literature. An important part of the course is the case study of an actual operating system. An important part of the operating system to do programming exercises that involve modifying the operating systems. So this is pretty much a course that kind of goes over understanding how operating systems work, breaking them down into small pieces, and even talking about virtual operating systems, I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure if I actually read that properly, but yeah, they're going to talk about different things, and they're going to actually have like programming exercise where you actually involve modifying an actual operating system. So right there is something that I'm looking at. If I being able to modify an actual operating system is pretty popular. If you are, well, it's possible because of the fact that you have a lot of open source operating systems like Raspberry Pi has Raspbian. You can use Linux like Ubuntu to kind of learn how to work on an open source operating system. You can probably do it with like Windows or Mac, but I'm not too sure on how much is available. But I do know that most operating systems kind of do very similar things, and understanding each one would be great. I would like to take the information I'm learning here and then learn how to kind of convert that into some sort of information that allows people to understand operating system design and operating system development from a more simplistic way, less complicated. So laying down all of the pieces that are necessary and then sharing them all as a whole, and then probably doing some live programming to kind of talk about some of the things that actually comes with that. The idea between doing that would be to open up the door for people to see what's possible from their perspective. I feel like that's what helped me to kind of work on a project myself and to overcome the fear of failing and not doing so well in these projects. So that's basically it for that one. I think that's all it's going to basically be. And the next course is actually going into the idea of network security. So we're going to be talking a little bit about that. And I think that with that, we'll have two more in this section, and then we go into the last section, which is information and intelligence systems. So expect at least another 8 videos. All right.